You can never go wrong choosing a first-generation Ford Mustang as your first classic car. The original Mustang is more than just a car. It's an automotive icon that created the entire pony car segment and, over 6 decades later, remains the sole survivor of its category. When first introduced in 1964, the Mustang immediately captured the world's attention with its aggressive yet elegant design, promising performance, and relatively affordable price for young buyers of the era. Ford even labeled it the 1964 one-half model, marking the birth of a timeless legend. During its production run until 1973, the first-generation Mustang was offered with a variety of engines and several high-performance variants that made it a coveted choice for sports car enthusiasts. Ford offered 3 main body styles: the 2-door hardtop coupe, the sleek fastback, and the iconic convertible. Each body style has its own appeal, but for many fans, the 2-door hardtop is often considered the most elegant and characterful version, even if it sometimes receives less attention than the fastback or convertible. Owning a first-generation Mustang hardtop is a statement of style and a symbol of smart, prestigious personal choice. Today, we present a 1967 Ford Mustang hardtop available for sale in Goodyear, Arizona. This classic car has undergone a series of significant upgrades, making it not only visually stunning but also ready to be driven as a daily vehicle if desired. For true automotive enthusiasts, the opportunity to own a refreshed, ready-to-drive Mustang like this is not to be missed. This car offers a unique driving experience, combining classic aesthetics with modern comfort. Exterior, visual charm that turns heads. Visually, this 1967 Mustang hardtop is captivating in poppy red, a bright and bold color that has always been a favorite among classic Mustang fans. This color not only stands out on the road but also reflects the car's spirit. Daring, energetic, and full of character. The body looks perfectly proportioned, with crisp yet elegant lines, demonstrating Ford's design philosophy of balancing performance and aesthetics. The lowered suspension gives the car a more aggressive stance while improving handling and stability on the road. It rides on American racing chrome wheels with shiny center caps, combining classic style with modern appeal. Brand new G-Force competition tires provide optimal grip, ensuring the car is not only beautiful to look at but also safe and responsive in various driving conditions. Every exterior detail reflects careful attention to both aesthetics and function, making this Mustang not just a car but a moving work of art. Interior, comfort meets style. Step inside the cabin, and you'll find a Mustang that has undergone a significant transformation. The interior has been redesigned to maintain a classic feel while incorporating modern touches that enhance comfort. A modern air conditioning system has been installed, keeping occupants cool even on hot days, a key feature that makes this classic car practical for daily use without sacrificing comfort. The steering wheel is wrapped in soft black leather, with a 3-color Mustang emblem at its center, reinforcing the car's identity as an automotive legend. For music and tech enthusiasts, the car is equipped with a modern Bluetooth audio system, complete with a hidden display so as not to disrupt the clean, classic interior lines. This way, you can enjoy your favorite music without compromising the interior's original aesthetic. The Mustang comfortably seats 4 adults, with ample legroom for long drives. The rear trunk is spacious enough to carry luggage for weekend getaways or daily errands. Every aspect of the interior is designed to combine comfort, functionality, and style, making the driving experience complete. Engine, thrilling performance. Under the hood, this Mustang is powered by a 289 CI high-performance V8, one of the most beloved engines of the classic Mustang era. Known for its quick response, abundant power, and distinctive sound, this engine makes every drive an adrenaline-filled experience. Performance upgrades include ceramic-coated headers, an aftermarket exhaust system, Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection, and a high-performance intake manifold. These enhancements make the engine more responsive, efficient, and capable of delivering an exhilarating driving sensation. Electrical capacity has been upgraded with a 150-amp alternator, ensuring all electronic systems function optimally. Blue valve covers featuring the Ford Racing logo add a visually appealing touch under the hood. Power is sent to the rear wheels via a 3-speed Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission, known for its reliability and smooth shifts, allowing seamless performance without compromise. brakes and steering. Safe and responsive. Safety is also a priority. The braking system has been upgraded with Wilwood disc brakes and a Wilwood master cylinder, providing optimal stopping power even at high speeds. Additionally, the steering system has been modernized with electronic power steering, making the car easier to handle while maintaining precise control. Every mechanical component not only enhances performance but ensures this 1967 Mustang Hardtop is suitable for everyday driving. The combination of a classic engine with modern technology creates a balance between authenticity and comfort, rarely found in other classic cars. History and collectability. The first-generation Mustang holds immense historical value. Ford launched the pony car trend with the Mustang, a compact yet powerful sports car symbolizing freedom, youthful lifestyle, and American aspiration in the 1960s. Owning a first-generation Mustang is not just owning a car. It's owning a piece of automotive history. Every body curve, emblem, and feature tells the story of how Ford transformed the sports car landscape and created an icon that remains relevant today. The 1967 hardtop variant has its unique appeal due to its elegant yet underappreciated design compared to the fastback or convertible. It demonstrates that beauty and character don't always need to be flashy. Sometimes simple elegance is more attractive and meaningful to the owner. Driving experience. Driving a 1967 Mustang Hardtop is unforgettable. The roar of the V8 when pressing the accelerator, the subtle vibration of the engine, and the precise steering response make every drive feel alive. This car delivers a classic sensation without compromising modern comfort, thanks to updated suspension, power steering, and a refined interior. Whether cruising the highway, attending classic car shows, or enjoying a leisurely city drive, this Mustang offers a unique and satisfying driving experience. Its beauty is not just in appearance, but in how it makes the driver feel every time the engine starts. Driving pleasure and Mustang character. Owning a 1967 Ford Mustang Hardtop is more than moving from point A to B. It's an experience that engages all the senses. When the high-performance V8 fires up, its signature sound commands attention, delivering a thrill only true classic car enthusiasts can appreciate. The exhaust growl is not just noise, it has character, announcing that this is no ordinary vehicle. Every pop of acceleration tells a story of American automotive history and Ford's philosophy of blending power, style, and driving excitement. The lowered suspension keeps the car stable at high speeds yet comfortable on uneven city streets. The combination of precise suspension, sturdy American racing wheels, and G-force competition tires makes the handling intuitive and responsive. Even novice drivers will feel confident behind the wheel, as the balance of engine power and vehicle control has been carefully calibrated. Inside, the experience is equally satisfying. Every touch of the leather steering wheel, the click of the Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission, and the supportive seats designed for long drives create a classic driving feel without sacrificing modern comfort. Modern AC keeps the cabin cool on hot days, and the Bluetooth audio system provides entertainment without compromising the classic interior lines. With seating for 4 adults and ample trunk space, this Mustang is practical for daily use or weekend trips with family and friends. A historical journey. The first-generation Ford Mustang Hardtop symbolizes an era. In the 1960s, the Mustang changed the perception of sports cars. It was more than a vehicle. It was a statement of lifestyle, freedom, and individuality. The first-generation Mustang offered various engines and performance packages, allowing buyers to tailor the car to their needs and personality. The hardtop variant, in particular, was regarded as elegant due to its clean lines and simple yet captivating roof design. Owning a hardtop means owning something distinct from the more popular fastback or convertible, a smart choice for those who appreciate sleek, proportionate design. The first-generation Mustang is also known for its ease of modification. Many classic Mustang owners enhance performance, aesthetics, and comfort without losing the car's original character. This is evident in the 1967 Ford Mustang Hardtop we offer. The high-performance V8 has been upgraded with ceramic-coated headers, an aftermarket exhaust, and Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection. These improvements boost performance while maintaining reliability for daily use, making it one of the best examples of a classic car that is road-ready yet authentically classic. Technical excellence and modernization. Beyond engine performance, This Mustang has received technical upgrades that make it stand out among other classics. Wilwood brakes ensure quick and safe stopping, while the Wilwood master cylinder delivers consistent braking. The updated electronic power steering makes the car feel light yet precise when cornering. This is essential for drivers who want the joy of classic car driving without struggling with heavy conventional steering. Visually, the 1967 Ford Mustang Hardtop is equally impressive. Its bright poppy red paint catches the light beautifully, highlighting clean, proportionate body lines. Chrome wheels and center caps complete the look, creating a perfect blend of classic and modern style. The refined interior reinforces the elegance, harmonizing aesthetics with comfort, collectability, and investment. Owning a first-generation Mustang, especially a 1967 hardtop, is not just about having a car. It's a long-term investment. Classic cars with history and character tend to appreciate over time, especially when maintained and upgraded in a way that respects their original design. Every detail, from the Ford racing emblem on the valve cover to the stitching on the leather steering wheel, demonstrates attention to quality and heritage. For collectors, owning a 1967 Mustang Hardtop is like owning a living piece of automotive history. It's a car that captivates the eye and carries the story of an era when Ford redefined American sports cars. For those who value automotive history and culture, this Mustang offers a rare opportunity to own more than just a vehicle. It's a drivable cultural icon. Everyday life with a Mustang. One of the advantages of the 1967 Mustang offered here is its suitability for daily driving. Many classics are only fit for display or occasional drives, but this car is ready for modern roads. Its upgraded engine performance, modern steering and braking systems, and comfortable interior make it practical for everyday use. Imagine starting your morning with the roar of a V8 and cruising through the city streets in unmatched style. This is not just transportation. It's an emotionally satisfying experience. Additionally, the car allows its owner to enjoy the pride of ownership. Everyone who sees this Mustang Hardtop will be drawn to its design, vibrant color, and classic aura. Driving it is not merely about getting from point A to B. It's about expressing yourself, showing taste, and connecting emotionally with a piece of history. The 1967 Ford Mustang Hardtop, available in Goodyear, Arizona, is a perfect example of a classic car that combines authenticity, performance, and modern comfort. With a high-performance V8 engine, updated interior, modern braking and steering systems, and a stunning exterior, this car is not only breathtaking but a joy to drive. For classic car enthusiasts, collectors, or anyone seeking a car with history, character, and performance, this Mustang is an ideal choice. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own one of the most legendary automotive icons. A car that shaped history, remains relevant today, and is ready to deliver an unforgettable driving experience every day.